Hi, it's Lynne with Soft Squares. I have the Pastry Shop box, and it's the first part of September. They ship every 6 weeks, and this is their latest box. Let's open it. The box comes all sealed up. Got to break into it. And I'm so excited. Their boxes are so cute. Okay, it always looks like this on the inside. Tissue with their sticker in there. Treat box number 5, Bella Stars. So she puts a little personal note in there about the box. This box was originally curated as a July box, so it has a 4th of July theme. However, Labor Day is just around the corner, so it all works out. This quilt features Beyond Bella collection by Annie Brady. And there we go. Oh, look how pretty. I can see the stars in that. I like that. This looks like it's a finished size of 55 by 55. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, outer borders and binding. I don't know if this is an extra page or if it came out, but there's that in there. Hello. I got the fan blowing and it just sends things flying. I'm gonna guess it's additional part of the pattern. It just was separated. And this is nice. So you can kind of draw it out to get an idea of what your colors will be and how it's gonna look when it's laid out or before it's cut up to see what it will be. That's pretty. And that's cool because these are like a rectangle and a square, but it's a star. Okay. Outer borders and binding, so it gives you specific instructions on that, what the colored star blocks are, how to make those, how to cut your fabric. Looks like it uses charm squares. Okay, that's pretty. I like that. Pretty sure this goes in my pattern. Probably just slipped out. Okay, in this box I've included a mini cutting mat to keep handy by your machine. Look at that. Olfa. I didn't know they made a little tiny one like that. I love Lori Holt's cute cuts, 2.5 by 4.5 inch ruler. Oh, and there that is. So you can measure the flying geese used in the quilt for the star points. As a tasty treat, there's a tutti frutti colorful unicorn pop to match your quilt. We haven't got to the fabric yet, but that's funny. As always, a spool of thread is included with a spool hugger. So these are the spool huggers, and this is cool because they do include that with your thread each month. And thread matches. But if you don't know what these are great for containing your thread after you've opened it, because otherwise you get little strings all over it and it starts to unroll and unravel. And the fact that you just get one every month with this is nice. All right, so this is a really pretty dark blue, and now I can see the fabric in there. Okay. I've designed this quilt with a star block with star point sashings. When it all comes together, 2 different stars emerge. I used Robin Pickens' Thatched Blizzard for the background because it had a similar cross-hatched look of the Beyond Bella. The blue Beyond Bella for your border is cobalt. So this is the border fabric. And then she just explained what she had used in making her quilt as for her background, but background is not included. Actually, I'm going to open this up, not close it. This is with the fabric. Oh, I measured the wrong way. with the fabric by 17 inches. All right, almost a half of a yard. And there's more. She always includes these little charm packs, the little itty bitty ones. And this one is a patriotic theme, red, white, and blue with the stars. And this is Holiday Essentials America by Moda. That's just thrown in there. That doesn't necessarily go with anything, but this is what goes with the quilt and with the extra fabric, and you can see it's the same line. And she sent 2 of these, and look at all the colors that are in here. They're solids for the most part. Okay, so I'm guessing this is what she used for her background, because this is the white with the check, although there is a fabric line called Thatched. Can you even see that? And there's off-white or taupe. Anyway, there's different shades in here. Don't think I'm getting every single one of them. Nice rainbow assortment of pretty colors. Lots of colors in there. I like it. Let's look at the quilt again. This is what she's made with this fabric. So this says materials needed are 2 charm packs. We have this 15 inches border fabric. So we have this plus a couple extra inches. We're going to need 3 yards of background fabric and a half of a yard for binding, and then 3 3/4 yards fabric for the back. And the finished size is 55 by 55, and I'm assuming you can make it bigger just by increasing the number of charm packs, and off you go. But that's a nice source color. I really, really like these colors and that pattern. Okay, so this box is shipped every 6 weeks, and it is a subscription box. Sherry is the curator over at PastryShopQuilts.com. I'll put her link below. So if this is something that interests you, please use my link. It helps me out, helps her out. And I would like to know if anyone else has picked up these boxes and what you think about them. And that's all I have for this one. Thanks, guys. Oh, by the way, this is another shirt from my Etsy shop. That link is below too. Bye.